Hi, it's Pascal here, and I am in the last day. This is the final day for the Marketing Mastery Summit, and I just want to say it's been awesome. And I'm just reflecting on my journey for the past 2 years. I'm looking at the kind of people I'm in the same room with now, and what's happening. I'm kind of understanding why. Because when all the leaders here are sharing their story, I can't understand why people find it difficult to move in terms of taking action and taking ownership of their own life. Because you can do whatever you like, you can watch so many videos, but there is always something inside you that tells you that you can do better, you can be more, you can grow, you can achieve more. There's an essence of you, there's a reason why you were created. And many people go through life not because of fear, they don't really live. And what are they afraid of? Maybe there are what some other person might say about them, or they might lose, I don't know, whatever. But the truth is, if you're not living, you're making the universe not being whole. So there is always trust yourself. Because that's what the message is today. It's not really, that's the bottom line of what they were saying today. Because they can share all these strategies with us, they can share all these messages with us, but until we begin to believe in ourselves, nothing is going to happen. And it goes down in the Bible, as you believe, so shall it be done unto you. These things, it's not like they call it marketing mastery. These guys, they read books, they really understand that they know what we're experiencing, and they encourage us that they've been there and that we can get better. All we just need to do is trust yourself and trust your gut feeling, and things will happen for you. That's my share today. And I hope you find some value in this. And I always tell you, if you're trying to start a business online and you can't figure it out by yourself, because if I tell you, most of my results have come from community, people that I just meet physically. And this is not just a seminar, this is just because I'm part of SFM and this is part of their training. You don't pay anything extra to come here. Because they all have this big, I think they're the biggest company in the world in terms of training people in online business. So it's more of, don't think that you can do it just on a computer by yourself, by watching videos. It's going to be really, I don't want to use the word difficult, but it's going to be really challenging for you to get success through that model. You must find people that are doing it and get them to train you. And a lot of people, I see a lot of people online, they say it's more of geared towards, they promise you heaven and earth, and at the end of the day, by the time you sign into their program, you don't see anybody. You're just literally there with your computer with a bunch of software that you don't know how to use. That's why it's important for you to start filtering through noise, filtering through garbage, and because you can tell when somebody's telling you the truth. You can tell when somebody is lying to you. You don't have to go by shiny objects, that get rich quick scheme. People make things look very easy, and you just buy into that idea that it's going to be easy. Obviously, it is easy if you understand the process, but again, coming from a background where you've not done it before, you're going to go through a little bit learning curve. So open your mind up for success, and you can actually do more. You can actually engage more. You can, because you're not just impacting your own life, you're impacting your family, your children, because it's all trickles down. Like when I was asked the question earlier today, it was more geared towards everybody felt the energy because I gave them a very different perspective. So you never know what you can contribute, and because I am unique, I'm able to give that perspective. So you are. So you can also give different perspectives, but you have to have people around you. Surround yourself with people that will bring out the best in you. That's what I will say to you. I hope you find some value in this video, and I'll be sharing some of the strategies I use, some of the things I've learned here to actually help people that are maybe on the fence and they're still waiting to get something done. And I recommend books that I've read. If you look in the description down, I will put some links on some books that I've read, some of the things I do. And if you want to learn online business or you want to start, I'll put a link to send you some free training by Stuart. Let me see if I can show him how he's got an interview with some people so that you can begin to see that, I don't know, yeah, there he is at the back there. So I just wanted to see, so he's talking with someone, I would have gotten him, but so that he's got the one that's got the training, so he will actually help you understand the foundations and you can get started and give yourself permission to succeed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. It's Pascal Monaji. Bye for now.